Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you all are perfectly fine. Today we will learn how to mute Samsung microwave oven beeping noise by pressing key buttons. So let's start. You just have to do a simple task. Just press the start and stop button at the same time. As you can see on the display, the off sign. It means now your oven does not beep to indicate the end of a function. And now you know how to mute Samsung microwave oven beeping noise. So I hope this video would be helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Have a nice day.